As you can see, it is the dashboard of our a chatbot. As you can see, you can get a graph also. You can also get a download options. You can download whatever you what are the these are the format you can download the files here. You can download the charts and the graphs by clicking that. You can directly print it. So what is there and what is there, and then and, and next is as you can see, you can see the monthly trends here. So what are the monthly trends that been happening means what are the cases have been solved. This line is a filed solved one, and this one a filed. It was filed on, for example, it was filed on January and it was solved. 24 cases are filed on January and 10 was solved, like that only. And you can also see that pending hearings means if their case is going on, if there is any pending cases left, you can see that in which court the case is pending, and what are that case number, and when the hearing is, and what are the status of that case. And you can get an universal search in our project. And another one is AI investigation. And for example, if I want you can get a demo here. You can see, for example, let me take this one. For example, I would say, yeah, for example, if I want to look at the list, repeat offenders linked to vehicle theft, so I will click here. As you can see, you can get a summary of that total accused there one, repeated offenders. Therefore, it can give the percentage also. And for another example, if I wait a sec, okay. For another example, if I want to say, uh, give me just a dashboard overview of that. For example, it will give me the dashboard. And if I want analytics, means what it will fetch the analytics. Analytics, if I type, so for example, yeah, if there is a, actually it's structured questions. We have to ask the structured questions in this chat. It's not a free form chat. For example, how you chat with the chat GPT, it's not like that. Okay, for example, let me take that used one only. Wait. Okay, first, for example, if I take the find evidence, or for example, complete details of FIR K601, it will give me that one. For example, FIR details, for example, look, it's FIR details, and what does he do, robbery, in which district, and victim is Ishita, and what accused is gang members. And it also gives an AI investigation summary, and current cases, current the case status, what the status of that case, and recommended investigation steps it will give, and the risk assessment, and it also gives the risk assessment. So this is the, for example, for every case it will give you like that. For example, let me copy this one only, control C, and then for example control V. For example, I'm gonna get about, okay, for example, I need numbers something like 26. So yeah, for example, look, here 026 Mangalore victim is this one, and it will give a complete investigation summary. If you want to download it, you can directly download the entire details, irrespective of the chart or the that one. You can directly download it as a PDF. As you can see, it will give you crime report, investigation report based on that. Okay, that's all. Thank you. And wait, as you can see, you can get additional features. For example, you can directly check that records here. You can filter that records, and you can search that. And you can also go through the cases. What are the cases happening, and where are the cases happening? So what are the category, and where is the district happening? And you can also get an evidence sphere, and you can also get the witness page one, and officers, witnesses, and officers, you can see all the officers present here. You can see there are 25 pages, means about something. Let me check once. Yeah, or at most 10,000 officers are there, so that's why there. And what are the complaints registered? You can get directly in this page, and you can also get the contact number and their name, what are the cases on them, and active or and you can court proceedings. You can also check the court proceedings and crime analytics. You can directly check the crime analytics. What is the happening in there, which state, for example. What is the district count cases happening? For example, Bangalore urban, how much cases there are? 2009 cases. In Shimoga 2000, and like that. And you can also that same chat you can see. And that's all. Thank you.